Welcome, loves, to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be doing crazy, bold, sexy cut crease, and I love it. I'm obsessed with this cut crease, sort of cut crease. And I'm not going to be telling you how I have done this lip combo. In case you're interested, it's going to be in my shorts, and without further ado, let's get started. We're going to get started with the base. I'm going to be using my Maybelline concealer. You know, I do not use NYX concealer when I'm not going out. It's a waste, but when I really need it to have a full face going through the whole day, I will always go with my NYX primer. If you watched my previous video or episode, you know that I used OPP palette versus Makeup Revolution palette. And let's play with the OPP palette again because I really fell in love with these two shades. They're looking amazing and gorgeous. And I was thinking to do a cut crease, but not a really complicated option, but the one I do from time to time. We're gonna set my lid with regular powder, the one that you use to set your face. You can use loose powder, it can be press-in powder, doesn't really matter. I have my protection. This is just a simple piece of paper. And I have an angled brush. This is really handy. If you have any sort of concealer brush like this, you can go ahead and use it as well. So we're gonna get started with this really pretty, it's not even navy blue, it's some sort of vibrant blue color. And I want to create a shape with the help of this shade. Let's probably use this brush. It's a little bit more precise. I'll get this on my brush, tap it off, cover, and start with creating a line. First, I'm gonna do a sketch. When I have a precise line, sort of straight line, I create, there's like an angle, and then we're gonna carry on with a line. Kind of following the crease. And sometimes I just leave it like this. I don't want to bring this to the inner corner of my eye. It might look a little bit artificial. So, and wherever it ends. I want to thicken the outer corner line. And let's do the same thing with the rest of the shape. I feel like it's a little bit missing the color. Let's use a tissue, wet tissue, and clean a little bit. I have some leftovers. I really like the color. It's so vibrant. With the same shade, I'm gonna make sure that I have a little bit more color in the outer corner. We're gonna get to my flat brush finally and blend this out a little bit like that. Nothing crazy, guys. Just working inside the shape. And I have this really pretty color satin. Don't really want to place it all over the lid. I think we're going to add a little bit in this area. What is the difference between cut crease that I'm showing you right now? It's sort of cut crease, and the one that you see where you're doing only the upper line, and for the bottom you're just using some color, or maybe you're using some color on top, and for the lower lid, not lower lid, but just the rest of your lid, you're using only concealer and you're setting with translucent powder. So the difference is similar to what I explained a little bit earlier. You're creating this really pretty line, and then you're going to stop it right here without adding additional line to your lash line. I hope it makes any sort of sense, but I feel it's legitimately a cut crease. Let's do that right here. And I want to place shimmers in the inner corner, like that. And for the middle section, I have something else. We have really pretty glitter from NYX glitter palette, and I love this sort of grayish navy blue color. And with my finger, I'll grab a little bit of the glitter and tap it on top of my eyeshadows. Now, I was thinking to add a little bit the same blue for my lower lid. We need to complete the whole look, and I have this thick and short brush, and I'm gonna do the lower lid with this out. I'm going to cover in place. In the inner corner, Let's use a little bit more of the same purple. Last but not least step is going to be eyeliner. I don't want to do black pencil. I don't know, just don't really want to do this. I will go with my Makeup Forever eyeliner. You know that I switched the brush from a little bit different eyeliner. Realign really close to my lash line. Oh, let it dry. I always use black eyeliner on top of my lash line. It's really pretty with mascara because when there's no black line, it feels off with mascara on. Essence of Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. Okay guys, we're finally back. Ooh, it's badass lip combo, I'd say. Really love, I'm into black lips. I have no idea why, but you can substitute it with something soft like gloss or something else. But I'm like obsessed with these lips. Really love it. And this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed today's small tutorial where we created this really beautiful catrice, bold and a little bit sparkly and edgy, but still on the glam side. And let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts? Probably you would change the color, maybe you wouldn't add glitter, probably you would pop on some lashes, you know, just let me know. I hope I'm gonna see you in my next video. Love you all, guys. Bye bye.